So hello everyone. So in this video also we will continue our discussion on previous year GATE questions on this topic, soil water relationships. So let us read the question carefully. A saturated soil has a total density of 22 kilonewton per meter cube and a water content of 10%. So total density has given and water content also he has given. So the bulk density and the dry density of a soil is, so here directly he has given bulk density. This total density is nothing but gamma T only, gamma T or B is equal to 22 kilonewton per meter cube. So we are not required to find out the bulk density again because it is already given in the problem directly. Total density is nothing but the bulk density of the soil. And coming to the next one, gamma D. So this is actually the first one. So gamma D. So dry density we have to find out. That is nothing but we have the relationship gamma B by 1 plus W. 1 plus W. So water content also he has given. This is nothing but 22 divided by 1 plus 0.10. 1 plus 0.10. So 22 divided by 1 plus 0.10. So this is nothing but 20 kilonewton per meter cube. 20 kilonewton per meter cube. So where is 22 and 20? For first he has asked the bulk density. So this is 22. Second, dry density 20. So first option is correct. So this is also actually very simple question. So now we will solve one more previous year GATE question. So in this one also, let us read the question carefully. So the void ratio and the specific gravity of a soil are 0.65 and 2.72. So what he has given? So void ratio he has given G is equal to 0.65 and specific gravity has given GS is equal to 2.72 and the degree of saturation in percent corresponding to water content of 20%. So S we have to find out, degree of saturation S we have to find out, corresponding to water content 20%, that means 0.20. We have one relation actually, E into S is equal to GS into W. So based on that only we will be finding out. So degree of saturation S is equal to G into or G suffix S into water content divided by this void ratio. So S is equal to, directly we can find out 2.72 into 0.20 divided by void ratio 0.65. So 83.69 where it is given, 83.69 means 7. 83.69%. That means 83.7. Okay, correct. So this is actually a very easy question. So now we'll see one more previous year GATE question. If the water content of a fully saturated soil is 100%, so water content is equal to 100%. 100% is nothing but 100 by 100, that is equal to 1. Fully saturated means S is equal to 1. If the water content of a fully saturated soil is 100%, then void ratio of the sample is, so E is equal to what? This is also based on the same formula only. So E into S is equal to GS into W. So here S is equal to 1 and W is equal to 1. Then E will be equal to G suffix S. So void ratio will be equal to the specific gravity. So independent of specific gravity, this is wrong. Equal to specific gravity, this is right. What are the other options? Greater than specific gravity, it is wrong. Less than the specific gravity, it is wrong. So option B is correct. So E is equal to G suffix S. So we will solve one more previous year GATE question. So let G be the specific gravity of the soil solids and W be the water content in the soil sample, gamma W be the unit weight of water and gamma D be the dry density of the soil. The equation for the zero air voids line in a compaction test plot is. So actually this is we'll use another color. Okay, this actually one formula is there. What is that formula? Gamma D is equal to, in terms of percentage air voids, so 1 minus NA is nothing but the percentage air voids, 1 minus NA GS gamma W divided by 1 plus G suffix S into W. G suffix S into W. Here 0 air void, that means this will be 0. If this is 0, then gamma D is equal to, so G into gamma W divided by 1 plus GS into W. 1 plus GS into W. So we have to check where is this option. So in the first option, G into gamma W, G or G suffix S, G into gamma W divided by 1 plus GS. So actually this option is correct actually. Anyway, we'll see the other options also. Here 1 plus is missing, so this is wrong. G into gamma W he has given, so G into gamma, this is also wrong. So G into this is also wrong. So directly this is the correct option. So that is why these 12 to 13 soil water relationships or formulas are very important, because if we can able to remember those formula, we can easily tackle the problem which comes from this soil water relationship unit. So thanks for watching my lecture. If you feel the content is useful, please like my channel and subscribe as well. Thank you.